What is eminent domain and is it controversial? Imagine walking through your neighborhood and suddenly hearing that your property might be taken for a new highway or public building. It sounds like a nightmare, but it is a real process called eminent domain. This is the legal power that allows governments or certain authorized entities to take private property for public use. The catch is, they must pay the property owner fair market value, which is the amount the property could sell for on the open market. This power is based on the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which states that private property cannot be taken without just compensation and for a public purpose. Eminent domain is often used for projects like building roads, schools, fire stations, or utilities. When a government needs land for these projects, they follow a process called condemnation. This involves legal steps where they show that the project is necessary and that they are following due process. Usually, they first try to negotiate a purchase with the property owner. If negotiations fail, they can file a legal case to take the property through eminent domain. However, this process can lead to disagreements and controversy. One big issue is how public use is defined. In the past, it meant only things like highways or parks. Now, some governments have expanded this to include giving land to private developers to boost local economies. This change has caused many disputes because people wonder if the land is truly being used for the public or just for private profit. Another concern is about compensation. Property owners sometimes feel the amount offered does not reflect the true value of their land. This is especially true if the property has sentimental or unique features that are hard to price. The process can also be intimidating and complex. Owners might not understand their rights fully or know how to challenge the taking or the amount offered. Many legal mistakes happen when owners do not seek expert advice or fail to respond properly to eminent domain notices. If you are buying property, it is good to know that your land could be affected by eminent domain, especially if it is near planned public projects or redevelopment zones. You should be aware of your rights to fair compensation and the ability to challenge the process if needed. Consulting a real estate lawyer and getting an independent appraisal early can help protect your interests. Ignoring notices or not engaging in the process can lead to losing your property without proper payment. In summary, eminent domain is a government tool to take private land for public use, but it often sparks debate over what counts as public use and whether property owners are fairly compensated. Being informed and prepared can help you avoid common legal mistakes and ensure your rights are protected if your property is ever involved in such proceedings.